Hey everybody, mobile mechanic stuff here. Sorry we've been away for a little bit doing our 4th of July thing. Show y'all some footage of that now. I thought I bought instant light. Apparently not. Maybe if I had looked on the package and saw that it said a little squirt. Well, yeah, let it evaporate. America. Smells like kerosene. Propane and propane accessories. But I like to think that coal is better. Alright. 3, 2, 1. Oh, we have fire.
That's a good one.
Not too bad.
Do you want to shut it?
No.
Once it get burning? Why are you doing that?
Because it allows oxygen to flow across the bottom.
So that way it can, so a little bit of the heat can go out.
Yeah.
See, as soon as you start it, it's
Still recording. My bad. I'll have to edit that out.
That ain't it.
Home Depot, $112 with tax with that and charcoal. Happy 4th of July. We'll give you an update here in a little bit once the meat goes on. Because, see, that is the old grill. Came with the house. It finally broke, as you can see right there. Old, new, much better. She's molesting me,
Daddy,
making burgers.
can you give me a favor?
You like that? You like feeling the meat between your hands? I mean, I'm just asking.
Can I change it?
Just trying to.
Mom, Dad changed it since his door post said yes.
Okay.
Meat bar.
No music.
Oh, man.
No.
Why?
Well, you better keep the volume very low.
Make them patties, girl. Make them patties. I got you.
Like at one,
Meat.
at one level.
What's
10.
for dinner? Oh. My baby is working the grill. Oh, yeah. Look at what we got here. My burgers. And my barbecue. Okay. Can I?
What?
Can I?
Can you what?
My grill.
Oh, I'm so sorry. Am I overstepping boundaries?
Maybe.
I'm trying to get things done.
I mean, give me my wand. Excuse me. Man's area. Women inside. get the meat all the way. All around it. Get the entire patty. She didn't do that with these. I mean, come on, man.
It's just like the right size and everything. I was like, oh, that's cute.
Yeah, I mean, for $100, bro, it's not bad. I was very, very happy. I was like, okay, and it's already put together. They had them in boxes.
No, I don't want
I ain't got time for that shit.
Yeah, I put it in the back. It'll be okay.
We'll shut the lid and we let it cook. We'll let it breathe a little. We had a great time. Logan really enjoyed getting the new grill at Home Depot. Our first plans, they fell through, so I improvised, went out and bought a brand new grill, cooked a couple racks of ribs, steaks, hot dogs, burgers, you know, America, baby. America. Had a great time. Gonna get to do some really interesting stuff tomorrow. As far as we got one engine to pull out, got to put that engine in another car, remove that one's engine, and put it all back together and see if we can't get a dry start. I'll try and take some video footage of that tomorrow. I got to get all my gear ready tonight. It is now 10:40 p.m. I've got to be back up at 5 a.m. and it is Saturday night. I think it's the 7th. I'm not 100% sure. The days kind of blur together. We'll be back though. Stay frosty. And as Stephen Cox says on his channel, get out and fix something. Because we're going to try and fix something tomorrow. And I'm going to try and take y'all along with us. We might even do some YouTube Live. So stay tuned. Look at the size of this bastard. This is the new Boss Burger Chili's. Now, she'll be so kind. I'm going to try to take a bite at it. That was a fucking burger. Wow. That's got hot links on it.